Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over a song request by Prolific. Thank you again for the generous donation. This song is Phil Perry's Forever. This song is going to be in the key of B flat minor. So, song starts off on an E flat minor to F sharp major 7 to a B flat minor 9. So I'm playing the melody on my right hand while playing the chords on my left. So on top of the E flat minor, we're going to F sharp. And then the verses start. So you're starting on B flat minor, B flat minor 7, then you're going to be playing a D flat over A flat to a C minor 7. And you do hear him play this lick the second time they play this progression. He's playing that on top of C minor, which makes it a C minor 9. Then B7. And then the next progression is going to be when he's singing Hold Your Breath. It's D flat over A flat. Then it's an F sharp. Then it's a D flat over F. Then it's an E flat minor 7. You're going to hold it. Then you're going to go to an F sharp. Then to an A flat 9 sus 4. Okay, then the rest of it's going to be a repeat until you go to the little bridge here. And you're going to go to a... Pardon me. So, he's going to F sharp. So it's an F sharp minor 9. Dum, bum, bum. To an A flat major 9. To a D flat 9 sus 4. Let me try it again. So he goes. And then, after that section, he's going to go to a B9 13 sharp 11. Back to this progression we've already gone through. Okay, and then the very last section No one could ever is the lyrics. No one could ever love you. Then it's F sharp. And then it's B flat again. So, no one could ever love you. And then it goes to the intro. And that was a brief run through of Phil Perry's